Civil paragraph 100 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahad Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Mia Channo. Ready? Start. Unfortunately, there is no procedural recourse to curb that situation, which is rather self-creation, and there is no way out in the procedure to control that. Full stop. There are time and again amendments in the procedure to speed up the trial and avoid unnecessary delay, but no useful purpose seems to be served. Full stop. The situation warrants to be nipped when the plaint is presented and admitted. Full stop. If the admission of the plaint is efficiently after thorough check and balance, then there would be very little scope for amendments and meanwhile interlocutory applications. Full stop. If the pleadings are examined with admission, then relevant issues could be framed. If the controversy requires the process of evidence, full stop, the recorded admissions will narrow down the scope of replications and amendments sought for the pleadings. Full stop. For example, the plaintiff files a suit, then written statement is filed, definitely containing the demerits on factual aspects of the suit, the legal flaws therein. Full stop. The admissions are not recorded and case proceeds after settlement of issues. Full stop. What would happen thereafter? Question mark. Obviously, the plaintiff side will attempt to clear up those lacunas which can be proved fatal below. Full stop. The recourse will be resolved through amendments. Full stop. The sequence of the trial will naturally go disturbed. Full stop. The presiding officer is made to postpone further trial unless the resolution of that controversy was decided. Full stop. Would it be justifiable to do that by the party and by the court to allow that? Question mark. The answer is ambiguous, as the process of appeal and revision also favor that much. Irrespectively the decision or otherwise on the interlocutory application. Full stop. The entire record is got summoned. Full stop. Though such procedure is not available in the code, and thereby the entire trial is held up. Full stop. Is it a public policy or the administration of justice to interrupt the proceedings in the lower court for that controversy which was not subjective? Question mark. His Lordship Manzar Kadir, while disposing of the legal reference under a case reported in PLD 1964 writ petition Karachi, was pleased to observe at page number 149 as follows. Full stop. It is, of course, true that it is extremely, for reasons of public policy, full stop, that proceedings in lower courts should not be interrupted unnecessarily, full stop, if they are, the whole course of the administration of justice is deflected, full stop. Since the interruption of trial means a stay of proceedings, the convenience to the party against whose interest the stay operates is great, full stop. Frequently the whole substance of the relief is negatived because of postponement, adjournment or stay, full stop.